Who was he?
A king.
Georgie.
Oh no, that's not George. That is the King of Kings. That's Christ.
Was Christ greater than Georgie?
He's greater than George. He's greater than Shaka.
This death, hanging from a tree, near weeping old women, is not worthy of a king.
No, it's not.
How did he come to die?
He was betrayed by those that he loved the most.
Yes. It is a mistake to love, especially for a king. Why are you ever silent? Are you afraid? Do you bow down before this dead King Christ?
No. Christ is not my king.
Ah. You have doubts that Christ is the King of all kings.
Yes, Nkosi, I have my doubts.
So you two belong to different tribes?
Yes.
And King Jesus came from your tribe?
Not from my tribe. From his tribe.
The ways of you whites are a dark mystery. Those warriors near the tree with Ikwas, were they part of his regiments?
No, I have no regiments. Only 12 men, unarmed.
Yet you call him King of Kings, greater than Shaka.
Yebo, Nkosi.
Why?
Look at his lips. They're moving. He's saying, "Forgive them, Baba, for they know not what they do."
Forgive? How can anyone expect to rule with such a foolish strategy?
Many are of the same opinion.
And what does my brother George think?
George, his people, his country, people all over the world, they worship that king as the divine sovereign sent by the ancestors to bring peace.
But, Nkosi, I know very well that King Jesus had great power.
Well, whether my friend Zacharias or you know it or not, Christ is the Lord of the whites. He is the Lord of the Zulus. He is the Lord of all men. He is the Son of the heavens.
Do you derive your powers from him?
He is power. With Christ in your heart, you're stronger than all the regiments on earth.
If Christ is power, why did he not save himself?
But you cannot fault Shaka's deductive reasoning. Christ to heaven, heaven to Zulu, Zulus to Shaka. I wouldn't be surprised if someday Christ were wedged snugly into Zulu genealogy. That seems to be the curious legacy of Jesus, to be adopted by others.